This landform is a geo. You can see here you've got a cliff, and it's basically it's a deep sort of crack that goes right from the sea up to the top. So it's the cliff foot right to the cliff top. And if we look in cross section, we can see that it's basically this sort of arrangement here. Let's just put that connecting piece on top so we can see that a bit more clearly. Can you see that here's a cliff, the sea's down at the front here. From the top, it actually goes in quite a long way. It's quite a substantial gap there. If you sort of look inside it, we can see there's a bit of daylight going into there. And it's really like a canyon, like a sort of vertical thing there. And so what's happened actually, it's connected to the cliff formation that we saw earlier. So if I move that out of the way and just bring our other landform model into view. So what happens is you get a cave, the tunnel-like cave forms. So obviously you've got the weathering of the jointing, and maybe the weathering of it's probably going to be a vertical fault line here, a lot of weakness caused by movement in the rock. Wave energy is at the high tide mark, attacking the weathered rock, and eventually hydraulic action will be able to make this tunnel-like cave. We saw before that the tunnel-like cave goes right into the inside the cliff up to here. But say if you haven't got one of these vertical shafts or whatever, that sometimes this cave roof can collapse. And so what happens is say you have a tunnel-like cave over here. If the roof collapses, then that's going to form a geo. And that's exactly what we see here. So it's a tunnel-like cave where the roof has collapsed, and that is a geo. And if I just pull it apart to have a look inside, you can see that basically that was the cave, and this was the cave roof which has collapsed. And the best place to find geos is in the northeast coast of Scotland, around Duncansby Head, just near John O'Groats, and there's loads of geos there, especially the geo of Scalates. Okay, thank you very much.